This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift up the safety latch, raise the hood, and support it with the proper rod. Before removing the drive belt, take note of its routing along the various pulleys. Most models have a drive belt routing decal on the upper radiator panel to help during drive belt installation. To replace the drive belt, rotate the automatic tensioner counterclockwise with the correctly sized wrench. This will relieve the tension on the drive belt, allowing you to slip the belt off of an accessible pulley, then slowly release the tensioner back to its stopping point. Be sure that the wrench fits securely onto the pulley hex bolt when rotating the tensioner. Remove the belt from the remaining auxiliary components and out of the engine. Rotate the drive belt over the various pulleys, again rotating the tensioner against spring force to allow the belt to be installed. Then release the belt tensioner. Make sure that the belt fits properly into the pulley grooves. It must be completely engaged.